Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel The Art and the Artist Chandrima, and this is Chandrima Sarkar hosting this video. And this time I have came with a new idea, that is best out of waste to, and the idea is about making a Christmas tree using newspaper. So let's get started. But before that, I want to tell you something about my feelings in Christmas. Christmas is a time of giving and sharing. It is by far my most favorite time of the year. Since I have been a child, I anxiously wait for December 25, and there is so much that I love about this holiday. This Christmas, I have decided to share a list of things that I enjoy about Merry Season. Actually, in my childhood, most of my childhood, actually half of my schooling, I have spent in the Christian missionary schools, that was St. Thomas School in Faridabad, and I love that school. And whenever the Christmas time arrives, there used to be a function type of uh, function type of thing, festive season. Many carols, Christmas carols were being sung, and एंड नाटक होता था वहाँ पे लिटरली showing that how Jesus took born, and how Jesus was being raised, and how Jesus spread his thoughts, and how many of the people become his follower. So in this season, I love to listening to Christmas carols, fairy lights and pretty decorations, and buying gifts for your loved ones, keeping a secret stash of holiday sweets. Another reason to stay out late and family get-togethers. Vacation time. Though I am a Hindu, but I have studied in Christian missionary school, so that's why I know how important and how gracious this festival is for me. So now let's come to the point. Now let's रूबरू करवाती हूँ मैं आपको मेरे work से, hard work से. So I got a vision that I can make Christmas tree using the newspaper. So I made sticks out of the newspapers, as you have seen before in this video. I made a lot of sticks and cut that sticks into 2 by 3rd part of the 2 by in the ratio of 2 by 3rd, and 1/3 part of that I left it for the reason for the clippings, or बाद में चिपकाती मैं उसको. So then to stick all the sticks together to make the stem of the Christmas tree, I took that two-third part of the sticks together and roll it with the tissue paper, and then after that I just, using the Fevicol, I stick that up. It would take a lot of time. Although I am a Hindu, but this Christmas means a lot for me, as because from my childhood I am celebrating Christmas with my friends, relatives, and my family friends. So I love Christmas. I actually wait for the Christmas time, because in the Christmas time I remember that in my childhood, one of my family friend, one of my father's friend was Christian, and every year his family used to make Christmas cakes, actually plum cakes, and very delicious cakes he used to make, and I literally wait for that Christmas cakes. And now I am a elder person and I know how to cook. So that's why I made a Christmas cake for me and my students and many more persons who are my neighbors right now. So I enjoy cooking. I enjoyed this Christmas by making this Christmas tree and using the newspaper. And one more thing is there, that by using a newspaper, by means to create a Christmas tree using a newspaper is more eco-friendly, as because by reading that old newspapers, by reading the daily newspapers, we keep those newspapers um, in our shed, or make a bunch of it, and then sell it to the paper recycle company, or recycle person, whosoever comes to take that papers. So I thought that why don't we use the newspaper and made a very good Christmas tree. Also, it is a newspaper, so it is eco-friendly and rather very cheap, because newspaper barely comes at rupees 5, and we buy a small Christmas tree, not that big, that I have made a very big Christmas tree. I think the size would be 18-inch or 20-inch height would be that. And in the market, we buy the Christmas tree. We buy the synthetic and fancy Christmas trees with the at rupees almost 50 or 60. So I think that by wasting that 50 or 60 rupees money, we can make our own Christmas tree using the old newspaper. So friends, I want to suggest you that please do enjoy making the Christmas tree instead of buying any type of synthetic made Christmas tree. Enjoy making a Christmas tree by your own hand, and it will give you a very happy feeling. I know that because I have made it. So come to the point. I've one made the sticks, and I created the stand by using Fevicol tissue paper and surrounding that sticks. I made the stem, and after that the one third part of the stick that I have kept aside, I stick those sticks that you have seen in the video. Stick those sticks in the on that stem at different points, and after that I made the cuttings. I folded the newspaper and then made the cuttings very precisely, that you are seeing, that you are observing, that are laying on the ground. And I used to roll that cuttings in the circular motion, in the coiled motion on the all over the sticks. While working, I was listening to the Christmas Carol song, as because it was giving me a very wild or very soothing energy to make that Christmas tree look like Christmas tree. Christmas tree using a newspaper Christmas tree, I can say that. So after making the whole Christmas tree, I use the fancy jingle bells, and the balls and whatever. That I was not having that much time, so that's why I buy it from the market. But otherwise I can also make this one time. If you want it, then one time I may post the video of how we can make this balls and bells as well. So that's it for this Christmas tree making video. This is how my Christmas tree looks at the end after decorating it all over the tree. So I think this would be the nicest Christmas tree ever for me. And I think if you like this video and if you like my creation, then please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we'll see you in the next video. I will meet you in the next video and I will talk to you in the next video. So please do like, comment and share. And please do comment if you like my creation. Then please and also make your Christmas eco-friendly as well. From the next time.